Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add video overlays in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just open up a project and then just go to the upload section here and just select a video. So let's just say I'll select this
अरशद
one.
शांतिलाल मेहता
So this video here. So after you select this video, just right click on it and click here set video as background. So after just click here on this add page and just select another video, just look for this one, just upload another video and just wait for it to upload. So after it uploads, just select this video here again and then again right click on it and set video as background. So after you select this video as background, just go here and click here again
अरशद
and just resize it. So just mute the audio here. Let's just say I'll mute the audio. So I'll just transparency, like just select here the make the transparency to 50. So that's it. That's how you can overlay a video with a background in this way in Canva. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.